Hey guys, your UX guru Pavel is here. Today I gathered an ultimate list of all the UX tips for increasing conversion. This all comes from my experience, and my goal is to give everyone insight so you grab something from today's video. Let's get started. Our first tip is the most must-have tip, and here guys I share my own screenshots from my analytics from Google spreadsheets I run. I have them automated and basically the first tip is about measuring your metrics and do it continuously. Let me run you through those screenshots really quick. First of all, I have a forecast of my metrics, alright, so there are optimistic and realistic numbers we are targeting with my team. We don't get into target, unfortunately. Yeah, this is SEO, this is actually organic traffic, all users and organic traffic. We always compare our fact numbers to predictions. We are far away from them, and this is basically how Google update affected us early this year. Just looking at those numbers, we also estimate number of completed forms and calls. We target calls actually. This is what we are calculating the final conversion from. So this is B2B. We are in B2B business. This is why those numbers are so low. Because in B2B you have really small number of relevant clients coming to your website through articles or through landing pages you optimized for SEO. But I will not dive into details really hard here. Our benchmark is 0.1% and we are tackling this goal, guys. Also, we are measuring ebooks, how many of ebooks been downloaded, and conversion from all users to download ebook. So I suggest you to estimate conversions really precise and keep an eye on your numbers from the website. Here, for example, I have my LinkedIn numbers, also how many requests accepted, conversions, how many people engaged, conversion from accepted to engaged, how many calls from LinkedIn, how many calls from the website, and so on and so on. So all the pipeline is tracked, and we constantly keep an eye on those metrics, and this is what I suggest you to do, just to clearly understand what you should tackle, like which numbers, and comparing them with your predictions and what you get realistically. So this is the first tip and the most important one. Jump into the next one. It is connecting Hotjar. It is a beautiful tool that gives you an understanding of your visitors' behavior, how they interact with your website, where they keep attention, and when they leave. Actually, this tool is super magical because it hides all confidential information. So you will not see passwords, card numbers, whatever. So it's all hidden. Hotjar is a really secure tool. It's already for a while on the market and gives a ton of insight. So I don't know if you don't use it, I don't know why. The next one is running A/B tests, and it is not a silver bullet, but this is something that you should practice from time to time. This is just a quick script and just a quick game plan for you to run first one by your own. So you should define your test goal, for example, ebook downloads, formulate hypotheses like create different banners on your website to attract people to download your ebooks. Create like two options. So this is why it's A/B. So create two options, develop them, and put them, I don't know, on different pages, or use any tool for A/B testing to break traffic for both options equally. Run the test long enough to gather sufficient data. I do my tests from 2 weeks to 4 weeks. Then you should compare their performance and apply the winning changes across your website. Product demonstration. This is what I say as a must-have to every founder right now. You can see really popular products like FigJam or Intercom. they all showcase their product right away from the first screen, and it attracts people attention. It gives so much clarity what is inside, and gain trust, so people already want to start trying it. Yeah, this is just two examples of big companies, but every big player is doing it right now on their website. ClickUp, different crypto wallets, Linear, whatever cool product you open, they all showcase their product right away from the first screen. You should do it as well. Yeah, it definitely increases trust and increases conversion after it for sure. Having a good copy is like 50% of your success, guys. Yeah, I have two options compared here. First one is it's one of our clients, and another one is some random billion-dollar crypto startup. And they say reorient, rethink, and revolutionize, which says nothing. Just too visionary. It doesn't have any value. It doesn't speak about any problem. So for me, for user, it doesn't make sense. But for me, as for designer and for business owner, this is just a shame how a billion-dollar startup can afford it to put such bad copy. On the other side, we have much clearer solution which solves some problem. Yeah, but it is clear and simple and clear tagline. This is what you should think about, but not something like that says nothing. So comparing to this, it says buy and sell crypto, borrow AUD. This is Australian-based startup, so this is why AUD is here. All in one app. So it shows perfectly the solution in really simple text. This is what you should do. Tip number 6 is one of my favorite best practices to improve conversions, and it is placing one call to action across the whole landing page, and it increases your conversion by 30% at least. You can see here we have an example from one of my friends' website, 360 Learning. I showed it in my previous video. So they have different naming for buttons, but they have linked it to one page. So they all those buttons, they all drive the user only to the one page, which is the form, your lead form. And those buttons can be with different namings, and this is even attracts more attention. They all have different namings, and this is not by mistake, but oppositely. This is to attract more attention of the visitor. So while he scrolls down, he can be caught with another button and still get into the form. So this is your end goal, is to drive your user to the form, like lead form, sign up form. Yeah, and you can try using different namings, but place only one button across whole the page. So user should be focused on one action, not more. Tip number 7, promote your lead magnets on the homepage. We do it like this. You can see a banner. On the real website, it is actually a little bit animated, and promote your lead magnets, catch more emails into your email bucket, so you have a better database for your email marketing. And yeah, it converts really well. You can even try an A/B test to test different banners and define which converts better. So highly recommend this one. Simplify your forms as much as you can. We have only 3 fields, and the last is optional. It is a phone number. Yeah, if you get a phone number, we call, but at least we should get a name and a business email, so we can investigate our lead. But this is bad practice. Just how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fields. Guys, it's so stupid. I can't imagine how people are imagining visitors, their customers, to fill everything here. It takes what, like 5-7 minutes? It doesn't make sense nowadays. You should evaluate your users' time. They have an attention span. They hate spending time on something unnecessary. what I suggest, like, limit it at least to 5 fields. Like 4 or 5 fields is maximum for enterprise B2B. And recognize everything on the call, or find find those details in the internet. It's easy, and you should take this job from your users' shoulders. Trust signals, yeah, guys, put testimonials, some badges, certifications. It always helps with building trust. Tip number 10 is optimization for mobile and Windows devices. I actually put the Windows here because sometimes even we are forgetting about testing some of our works on Windows, and sometimes it works worse than on Mac. It is something that everyone should keep in mind. Like test your website properly. Open it on mobile. Open it on old Windows computer, because most of your users might have a Windows computer, and it's fine. But if your website works bad on Windows, or it is too heavy for old machines, you will lose conversions, and you should just take care about all of your target audience. And the last tip is to make your website live, put micro interactions. This is a GIF video of our website. Maybe I put a video of the real website here on top of me. But you can see how everything is animated. All the numbers are popping up, and graphics, text is animated. This is something that increases engagement better and gives your website simply more interaction. For me, like, animated websites looks much more expensive. If you are targeting wider audiences, if you are expanding, you should look more expensive, right? And you should look like a leader in your industry. So you should have the best website in every detail. So having a website animated is a must for you. So this is it, guys. I hope everyone took at least one insight from today's video. If yes, my job is done, and yeah, I'm really proud of it. So it was all of my UX tips for conversion from my background, from my experience. So take it, use it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.